Welcome to the second top tips video. In this video we'll look at some of the tricks you can do with the detailed list view in top. That's the view that most people use most of the time. The first topic we'll look at is reordering columns. There's a lot of data displayed in the lists in top, and quite often the information that you rate as most important isn't the same as other people. In top you can reorder the columns by dragging the column headers. For example, in this list of spooler jobs, I think that I'd like to see the number of pages, the location, the job owner and the report. So I'm dragging those columns to the left, so they're the first things that I see when I open up this view. This change persists, so that when I come back and look at another list of spooler jobs, my customizations are still there. The second topic that we'll look at in this tooltip is the ability to sort the lists on multiple columns. To do this, click on the first column that you want to sort by, then hold down the control button and click on any of the columns you want to use as secondary sort keys. In this example I'm sorting the disk list by pool name, so that the physical disks are listed first, and then by disk size, and finally by volume name. The next tip shows you how to resize columns so that they display all the data available but don't waste screen space. This can make the list display look a lot neater. Right click on a column header and choose one of the options under the size submenu. In this case I'm choosing to resize all columns to the header and data widths. You can just resize a single column. Earlier on we looked at reordering columns to make the information that's important to you more prominent. The opposite applies. It is possible to hide columns containing data that you don't use. This makes the list less cluttered. For example, on this system we're not running any physical printers, so I don't really need to see the devices or sequence number columns, so I hide them in top. Right click on a column header and use the list under the columns command to toggle which columns are shown and which ones are hidden. Sometimes you may have to send information from top to someone who doesn't have top, or you may have to do some calculations using values from a list in top. In that case you can take advantage of top's integration with spreadsheets. Just right click on the column headers and choose spreadsheet. A temporary spreadsheet is created. That's the end of this top tip video. If you don't have a copy of top yet, please contact comForte if you'd like a free trial.